How to withdraw money from Tonkeeper to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw money from Tonkeeper to bank account. So first of all, just simply open your Tonkeeper account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials if you already have an account in Tonkeeper. And after that, in order to withdraw the money into your bank account, so there is no direct way through which you can withdraw the money, real money into your bank account using your Tonkeeper wallet. So there are some workaround that you have to follow in order to withdraw the money, real money into the bank account using your Tonkeeper wallet. So in the first way, you can buy and sell the Tonkeeper that you have. So for example, you have to sell the Tonkeeper points or coin that you have in your Tonkeeper account in order to withdraw them as a real money into your bank account. So just simply click on the buy and sell option from the home screen itself, and from there just simply go to the sell section from the top, and over here you can see that there are few options that you can use to sell your ton. So you have Mercury and when changes. So just simply click on that and just simply click on sell Mercury. So whatever Tonkeeper amount that you would want to withdraw, just simply enter the amount over here, and it says that if you are withdrawing 57 ton, you will get 300 USDT. You just simply have to sell it and you will receive USDT in your wallet, and after that you just simply have to convert that USDT into your bank account as a real money. So this is the first way. And in the second way, all you can do is just simply come back to your home screen and click on the send option from the home screen itself. And over here you just simply have to enter the third party wallet. For example, if you are using Binance, you just simply have to enter your Binance address detail over here, and after that you just have to enter the amount of Tonkeeper that you would want to withdraw as a real money in your bank account or any other account that you are using. And after that just simply enter the amount and just simply click on continue, and you will be able to withdraw the Tonkeeper as real money in your bank account quite easily. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to withdraw the money from Tonkeeper. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.